So I is nothing but integration of 0 to infinity t raised to half upon 4 plus t square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into dt. Now if you see, our limits of integration are from 0 to infinity. So here we are going to use the formula of beta of m comma n is nothing but integration of 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 upon 1 plus x the whole raised to m plus n into dx. Now if you see, our earlier limits was from 0 to pi. We should use this type of formula, but now after doing some substitution, our integration limit has changed to 0 to infinity. So we will make our this equation in this format. So the numerator term is matching with this numerator, but in the denominator we want 1 plus x. Here we do not have 1 plus x. So we substitute t square equal to this constant into some other variable, that is u. Then t will be root of this term, that is 2 u raised to half. Then dt will be 2 into half u raised to minus half into du, which is nothing but u raised to minus half du. So this is our dt. Since we are changing our variable, our limits of integration will also get changed. So here we write initial variable, and the initial variable is t, and here we write new variable, which is u. T is going from 0 to infinity. When we put t equal to 0, here we get u equal to 0. When we put t equal to infinity, we get u also equal to infinity. So now our new integration will be I equal to integration of 0 to infinity t raised to half. T is this term, that is 2 raised to half, and u raised to half, the whole raised to half will be u raised to 1 by 4 upon 4 plus t square. So when we put 4u here in this term, we get 4 plus 4u the whole raised to 3 by 2. We can take 4 common, so it will be 4 raised to 3 by 2 into 1 plus u the whole raised to 3 by 2. So this term is matching with this term. That's why we substitute t square equal to 4u. So in the denominator we have 4 raised to 3 by 2 into 1 plus u the whole raised to 3 by 2 into dt. Dt is this term, which is u raised to minus half du. Now we will take this constant outside the integration. So we have 2 raised to half upon 4 can be written as 2 square, and 4 raised to 3 by 2 will be nothing but 2 square raised to 3 by 2, which will be nothing but 2 cube. So in the denominator we have 2 cube, integration of 0 to infinity. This u and this u will get combined, so we get 1 by 4 minus half. So it will be minus 1 by 4 u raised to minus 1 by 4. So we have u raised to minus 1 by 4 upon 1 plus u the whole raised to 3 by 2 into du. Now if you compare this equation with this equation, both this equation are similar, then we get m minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 4. So m minus 1 is minus 1 upon 4. So m will be 1 plus 1 by 4, where 1 minus 1 by 4, which will be 3 by 4. When we compare the denominator, we will get m plus n equal to 3 by 2. M is 3 by 4, so n will also be equal to 3 by 4. So this equation is nothing but beta of 3 by 4 comma 3 by 4. And here we have 2 raised to half upon 2 cube. So this is our new equation. So this can be our solution, but we have to prove that this term is equivalent to this term. So we have to further solve this equation. So we first solve this 2 raised to half. When it goes in the denominator, it will become 2 raised to minus half. And here we have 2 cube. So 2 cube into 2 raised to minus half is nothing but 2 raised to 3 minus half, which will be nothing but 2 raised to 5 by 2. So in the denominator, we have 1 upon 2 raised to 5 by 2. And beta of 3 by 4 comma 3 by 4 will be nothing but gamma of 3 by 4 into gamma of 3 by 4 upon gamma of 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is nothing but gamma of 3 by 2. So if you see here, these two terms will get combined and we will get gamma of 3 by 4 the whole square. And in the denominator we want 2 into root 2 pi. So we will apply gamma of 3 by 2. Gamma of 3 by 2 is nothing but half gamma of half, which is nothing but half root pi. So here we have half root pi, and this 2 raised to 5 by 2. This 2 when goes in the numerator, it will become 2 raised to minus 1. So 2 raised to 5 by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 2 raised to 3 by 2. So these two terms will combine and it will be 2 raised to 3 by 2 root pi. But if you see in our question, we need 2 root 2 pi. So we will take 1 2 outside. So we get gamma of 3 by 4 the whole square. Since we are taking 1 2 outside, it will be 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, which will be 2 raised to 3 minus 2 upon 2, which will be nothing but 2 raised to half. 2 raised to half is nothing but 2 root 2. So here we have root 2 into root pi. If we combine these two, we will get gamma of 3 by 4 the whole square upon 2 root of 2 pi. So this is how we simplify our equation. This is the basic simplification of any terms. So now if you compare this term with our given question, these two terms are matching. So left hand side is equivalent to right hand side, hence proved. And this is how we solve the miscellaneous problem on beta and gamma function. More such problems we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.